Hey friends, welcome to the channel. If you're dreaming about owning a smart real estate investment down here in beautiful Cape Coral, you're going to love today's video. I'm going to walk you through exactly how I look for investment properties, the strategies I use, what I watch out for, and how you can position yourself to find true hidden gems right now in this market. So grab a coffee, hit that like button if you're excited, and let's dive right in. This channel focuses on everything to do with buying, selling, investing, and living here in beautiful Southwest Florida. I would love to partner with you on your real estate journey, so give me a call or text anytime at 239-266-9012 to chat. All right, let's jump in. Let's start with a quick feel for the Cape Coral market today. We've definitely shifted out of the crazy sellers market we had during the pandemic years. Today it's more balanced. There are more homes on the market, properties are taking a little longer to sell, and as a buyer, that opens up some real great opportunities. You're not rushing to make a decision in 10 minutes anymore. You actually have time to compare options, negotiate terms, and find properties that meet your goals, not just ones you settle for because you're afraid they'll be gone tomorrow. That alone is a huge advantage if you're an investor right now. And what's even better, we're starting to see some sellers willing to negotiate again. Closing costs, price reductions, even including repairs to get the deal done. So overall, if you're strategic and you're patient, this is the kind of market where you could set yourself up for some real success. Now, Cape Coral is a big city. It's actually one of the largest cities by land area in Florida. But not every part of town is the same when it comes to finding great investments. Here's where I like to focus my attention. Southwest Cape Coral. This area is more mature or has more mature neighborhoods. City utilities are already connected and higher demand because of proximity to restaurants, shopping, and beaches. Properties here tend to hold value better long-term. Southeast Cape Coral. Older homes, yes, but some of the best rental potential because you're closer to Fort Myers and major employers here. A little renovation can go a long way. Northwest Cape Coral. This area is up and coming. Lots of newer construction, and you can still find more affordable lots and homes compared to the southern areas. It's a longer term play, but great for investors who are patient. When you're out looking, you want to keep an eye out for properties that maybe just need a little cosmetic updating. I'm talking about paint, floors, maybe new appliances. You don't want to get bogged down with massive full gut rehabs unless you really know what you're doing. Those minor fixer-uppers, that's where you could quickly add value and boost your rental income or resale potential without breaking the bank. Let's talk about timing because it matters more than ever. Cape Coral today isn't the crazy emotional market it was in 2021 or 2022. Today it's steady, logical, and that gives investors breathing room to make better decisions. Sellers aren't getting 20 offers overnight anymore. In fact, homes are sitting on the market longer and longer, and the longer a home sits on the market, the more motivated a seller becomes. That's when you could start negotiating not just the purchase price, but also on repairs, upgrades, or even help with closing costs. When you have time to run your numbers carefully, not emotionally, you're setting yourself up for a much better long-term return. All right, let's dive into some of my favorite strategies on finding real wins in Cape Coral. First, focus on value-add properties. Find homes that are structurally sound but just need some simple cosmetic upgrades. A $5,000 to $10,000 renovation can easily add $25,000 or more in value if you pick the right spot. Fresh paint, new lighting, updated kitchens, small changes make a huge impact here. Prioritize long-term rental potential. Cape Coral has a strong rental market. People are moving here for the weather, affordability, and lifestyle. A well-located 3-bedroom home can generate very steady rental income without a lot of drama. Focus on homes close to schools, parks, and shopping centers to attract stable tenants. Third, don't ignore waterfront proximity. Even if you can't snag direct Gulf access today, buying near the canals and waterways often means higher appreciation down the line. Cape Coral's boating lifestyle is a huge draw, and that won't be changing anytime soon. Of course, every market has some things you need to watch out for. In Cape Coral, here are a few must-knows before you make an offer. First, flood zones. Some areas require flood insurance, which adds to your carrying costs. Always check flood maps before you commit. Second, insurance costs. Rates have gone up statewide. Make sure you factor realistic insurance quotes into your rental and resale math. Third, construction trends. Some parts of Northwest Cape Coral have tons of new buildings happening. That can mean more competition for renters or buyers down the road. The key is simple. Do your homework, run your numbers, and always walk through the neighborhoods you're investing in. If the area feels solid, it probably is. So there you have it. My secrets to finding amazing investment opportunities in Cape Coral. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more real estate insight, and drop a comment below. Let me know what kind of property you're looking for. If you're thinking about making a move, I would absolutely love to help guide you through it. Whether you just have questions, want to start your search, or even if you're a few months away from making a decision, feel free to reach out to me anytime with a call or text at 239-266-9012. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.